Hey, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to talk about ball embellishments. Quick and easy, fast. But before we get going, if you find this video helpful, please throw us a like and a subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. Hit the bell to be notified of new videos when they come out. And for sure, drop a comment if you have any questions or feel like commenting. All right. Ball embellishments. Add them to whatever pieces you're making. You can make small ones, big ones, lots, just a few, just one, whatever you need. Today we're going to learn it. Fast, easy, inexpensive, doesn't require any special tooling. Something you can do in your free time, stock up for later builds and creations. All right, what do we need? We need some scrap. Sterling is fine, fine silver's fine, copper, brass, whatever you have. I typically use electrolysis made 4/9 fine silver. It's a little whiter, it's a little shinier, but your sterling and your scrap will work perfectly well. Next thing, if you're going to make more than one or you want to track how many grams makes what size of ball, you need a scale that'll go below a gram. I typically use 0.3 to 1 gram when I'm making balls. And lastly, a graphite block. I prefer graphite blocks because they have a smooth, flat surface. They tolerate heat well. They don't wear out quick. If they get a little bit dirty, just take yourself some 600 or 800 paper, wipe it on, turn it, wipe it, and that'll clean it up really nice. Wipe that off and you're ready for the next batch. If you can't find a piece of graphite on Amazon or wherever, get yourself one of those ingot molds. You can also use that if you want to melt some of your scrap into ingots. All right, let's go over to the hot side bench, which for me is in the garage, and I'll be right back. All right, here we are on the hot side bench. Gonna get the torch lit. I would leave the inner blue cone a little bit long to avoid oxidation if you're using sterling. Fine silver won't oxidize. You can use whatever flame you need. I want to heat the graphite. I want to heat the silver, and I'm going to use my titanium soldering pick to kind of push everything together and help shape it as it starts to melt. As it's melting, it'll start a little wonky, oblong, out of shape. But as it forms a perfect ball, you will see it. Immediately take the flame off of it. Let it cool. If you're using sterling, go ahead and pickle it, clean it up, and that's all there is to melting the ball. It does everything itself. All right, back from the hot bench, we've got ourselves a perfectly round, perfectly smooth, little fine silver ball with a flat bottom. Very suitable for soldering. It won't roll around on you. It'd be really easy to work with. You can use that on whatever piece you're building up. Make a bunch, make a few, make one. Get out there and get your balls and have them all ready to go for the next time. Nothing confusing, nothing hard, nothing expensive about it. With that, be well, be creative, and we'll see you next time.